can't stop me 'cause I'm impossible.
What's up, loves? It's your girl Ashley, and I'm back with another episode of Ashley's Antics. Today I'm doing a beach day vlog with my friends who aren't here right now. Well,
that was great.
Welcome to college. Yeah, that's my friends. You here's the fit. You know, here's the fit. Like, you know, I'm just gonna turn it and turn this towards you. Here's the fit. You know, looking like a partial Sally. And I have the bestie for the restie who's not showing me any attention. She doesn't like me. And then here's their outfits. I'm glad they've recovered from their injuries. Okay, so we're headed to the car. You can't see Haley. There she goes. Yeah, never again. But yeah, we are headed to the car. And then we're gonna head to the beach. And then we're gonna drive a boat. No, we're not. But it's cool. What a beauty. What a beauty.
We're higher than any other.
I think we're gonna jump it.
I'm good. I just looked at her and was like,
I missed him.
what happened to him?
So we finally made it to the beach and found out that it closes in 30 minutes. So that's lovely. We have set up camp. I'll show you in a second. We set up camp right there. And yeah, so you hate to see it, but you know, we're still gonna have fun for 30 minutes, even though I paid $7.27 for parking that I'm only gonna get for 30 minutes, and I paid until 8 and it's 6:40. And we were told that the beach closes at 8. So clearly that was wrong. But anyways, besides that, I'm going to show you the water. Isn't this such a beautiful view? Yeah, I'm going to show you the water. So this is the water, y'all. It's so gorgeous. Ignore my feet. It's a bit nipply in this water.
Yeah, I don't like when
How you doing, Haley?
I stepped on a rock.
Crying. You, Tiara? Tiara's camera shy, y'all. Sorry. He's usually more kind than this, I guess.
I just vibed, bro.
I thought we left the t-shirt back there, bro. She not
Since Letitia wants to be a bougie queen, I'm coming all the way back.
Tiara's gonna take pictures by the palm trees.
Come on, huh?
Tiara and I are gonna take pictures by the palm trees.
Okay.
Get up. Did you want pictures, Ashley?
The light is gone. I don't want it anymore. Wow, y'all. She looks so great. Turns it away. You still dancing? I've always wanted to take a picture by one of those.
Like those palm trees or that?
No, the little patrol thing.
I do too, but I want to do the ones on South Beach because you know
they're pretty. So we're finally eating and we're back from the beach and we stopped at Flanagan's. And I got shrimp pesto pasta And then Letitia, what'd you get?
So I got the same thing, you know, you have to, give it a try.
She loves to copy me, you guys. And then, and then Haley, what'd you
I
get?
got a Texas burger, just like Ashli. Texas.
Wow, somebody that supports my Texans. Man, look at that bite she took out.
It's ginormous.
And now we're watching some Married at First Night.
Married
at First Night? Married at First Sight. Three